Good morning, Carnival Celebration, and hello, Sea Day. Look at that sky. Isn't it beautiful? Today we have something pretty fun in store. We're going to be doing the Carnival Kitchen Sushi making class. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to include the full length of that cooking class in this video. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check that video out separately. Otherwise, come along with us for our full day at sea. But first, Sea Day brunch, our favorite. So on the way to our sushi class, we stumbled upon this screen show, and apparently they go on daily. We thought it was pretty neat, so check it out.
You can make s'mores. Celebration, you are a go for fun.
But here we are in the Carnival Kitchen, and this is where we will be making our sushi today. I recommend that if you are going to do any of these classes, book it before you even get on the cruise ship because they tend to sell out very quickly.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Not as easy as it looks, is it? We're gonna need each yours with a spoon.
Maybe I can salvage it, spin it back into place.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
So in light of this class, I promised my husband that I would try fish one more time. I didn't say when I would try the fish. He kept trying to get me to try it during class, and there was no way I was embarrassing myself in front of all these people. And I'm pretty sure he was trying to get me back for picking at how his sushi roll came out looking. I did stay true to my promise and tried fish at Bonsai, but let's see how that went.
Play closer to it.
So I can spit it
No. What are you trying again?
Spicy tuna roll with raw fish. Do I have to still?
You're the one that opted into it. And you're trying it with chopsticks.
Look, it's not good. smells like fish.
It is fish.
Okay. At least I didn't do like mine and spit it out. Nope. I want it back. That's really good. Well, maybe it's just good after tasting that. I think it's safe to say that I will stick to my cucumber rolls. He can have that tuna. So one of the things that we've come to really enjoy on our cruises is the Cloud9 Spa, being able to go into the thermal suite and just go in there and relax and kind of like mellow out before dinner is one of the things we love to do.
What?
You?
What?
Being silly, as always. And here we are having dinner at Pig and Anchor, and oh my gosh, that food was so good. We ended up eating here a few times during our cruise. And if you've never seen the Love and Marriage show, I highly recommend going and seeing it. It's not just for married couples, it's a hilarious thing to watch. And on any cruise you catch us on, live music is always a fun thing for us. Another fun place you're going to find us at is the piano bar. If you've never done the piano bar, I challenge you because it is so much fun to do these sing-alongs and hear the jokes along the way.
Motherfuckers don't know how to act. No! Thank you so much.
And day 2 is a wrap. Check us out tomorrow on day 3 as we port into Nassau, Bahamas. Me and my husband are going to be doing a walking tour where we find out all these fun things about Nassau, Bahamas. We're also going to be checking out Junkanoo Beach. We want to get some jerk chicken from some of the locals. So follow us as we journey on Nassau tomorrow. Good night! I really hope that this has been some valuable information for anyone going on a cruise or has been on a cruise and is always looking to learn something new. And be sure to check out some of my other videos so that it could maybe help you with your cruise planning for other tips. And I'd love to gain you as a new subscriber to the channel. So come along with us as we share glimpses into our life's journey with you to help with ideas to plan your next adventure. If you found any of my videos or helpful tips useful, please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.